Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is clamp down on. To clamp down on is to enforce laws regarding a particular activity. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. Our company has clamped down on expense account padding. Let me just tell you what expense account padding is in case you don't know. If you pad your expense account, you report expenses which are not related to the company. Perhaps you charge the company for a dinner or a lunch or something which didn't involve a client or was unrelated to the company. Perhaps you report a purchase that was unrelated to the company's business. The government has clamped down on illegal immigration. Today's idiom is clamp down on, to enforce laws or regulations regarding a particular activity. Today's idiom is taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.